Okay guys, here you can see the Build the Sky 3-part round. The first assignment is going to be very simple. You're going to find the physical sheet music that we sent home. You could print this sheet music, or if you prefer to write using the annotation feature on your Chromebook using like one of those stylus pens or your finger, whatever. The finger will be tricky because you won't be able to spell very small on there, so I would recommend either printing using the music we sent home or a stylus. And we're going to practice writing in some solfege. This is for everybody in treble chorus and tenor bass chorus. We're going to be starting here at letter A. You're going to write on your music that we're in the key of C. How do I know that? Because I see no sharps and I see no flats. That puts everybody's starting pitch on a middle C at Do, or on Do. In tenor bass choir, you'll be down an octave. We'll talk about that in class. Okay? So I'm going to, if I was writing in this, I would write Do, Do, and then that's up a step, so that's Re, and then down to Do, and then I'll let you guys continue on your own. It's important that you count the skips. Right, so Do, that was Re, then there's my Mi, and I'm off to the races. The first assignment for this week is going to have you writing in your solfege and then singing, submitting a video, singing to the end of the word sky right here. So we're just working on the letter B, the letter A. Don't have to move on to letter B unless you want to, but that's not going to be due until future weeks. So this is the first part to practice right there. Okay, get started on that, everybody.